We're Girovagari. I'm Priscilla, and that's Chris. We're hitting the road, and we're doing this whole van life thing full time.
In this week's episode, we'd just like to say a special thanks to Joe and Roger for letting us hang out on your boat and for teaching us a little bit about how the canal system works.
I'm doing this left-handed. Thank you! Happy people! Happy people! Where do you want to start?
I think right. What do you think?
You can't go there, there's a weird thing.
How about behind that bottom, or do you want to go? You want to go right before the after the bridge?
Yeah, I suppose there's a big vessel.
Yeah, she has a long swim, so I mean I can go faster than most past people without breaking. So actually, that's.
Oh yeah, come on guys, come on. Did you not have your breakfast this morning? I think we opened it a little bit early.
That's a workout for the morning. So
Seriously, Roger's like, why are you so tired? I'm like, we did 5 logs today. It's easy.
You're making us go on a safari.
Well, it's alright, it's all part of the adventure now.
It's probably on the side of the towpath.
There's a towpath there.
Well, one of us are going to be falling in.
This is a really bad idea. This is what happens when Roger is the captain.
So I have the hardest job on this narrowboat today, and that is making tea or coffee, whatever they want. So I'm down here getting myself warm, got the kettle on, waiting for this bad boy to steam up. Right now we're in a lock and we're super close, like super close to the wall. I'll show you now. This is the window. That's the wall. You can look down here. Look how close we are. But they got this, so I'm gonna make the tea, make the coffee, make sure they're warm, give it to them upstairs. Hopefully by that time we can get to the lock. And in every lock, you have a distraction. 5 minutes, you have to have a little chat. People are very interested, like how all this works. So I'll just tell you.
there's a guy that goes up and down the canal selling logs, coal, bits and pieces.
There's also, this is not the guy, but they sell diesel fuel for the engine, they sell propane, they sell everything. But this guy looks like just logs and kindling, which is fine, because we do need logs, so always looking to get a good log.
A special treat for you. I'm going to introduce somebody special to us, and it's Captain Roger Gilbert of the SS Spirit.
Good morning. Permission to come aboard.
Hi Roger, can we please come aboard? Captain Roger.
Permission granted. Excuse the crotch area, as we had quite the party last night. This is where we will keep the rubbish until we get rid of it.
Oh, it's not too bad, it's not too bad.
That's pretty bad. So this is the front door. I like to call it the forward bulkhead. It is quite the safe door, as you can see. Once locked, no one's getting in. It is quite a thick steel door. We won't shut you out.
Please do let us in.
Yes. This is the forward galley, the kitchen space. As you see, a nicely appointed cabinetry that has locking pins, so as we're going down, nothing gets exposed or comes open. We have our 4-burner stove and oven, our terrific Japanese-made water filtration system that filters out all bacteria, all viruses, all protozoan, all fluoride, anything nasty in the water, and replenishes it with natural spring minerals.
So it's safe to drink.
Extremely. And tastes nice. This heats the whole water system aboard the Spirit.
Okay.
It is an instant hot water heater, so it heats the water instantly and sends it through with the pump. So you have unlimited hot water. We are now still in the forward of the vessel. This is the dining room.
Is he making stuff up as he goes along?
This is Joe, by the way.
This is my first mate, Joe Gilbert.
Howdy. Hi.
As you see, as you turn around, you may see that there is the wine rack / bar.
That's always convenient on a boat, I have to
Extremely
say.
convenient.
That's a good looking bar.
This is the living room.
It's so cozy.
Thank you very much. We do like to think so. Still in the decorating process. This is the multi-fuel burning stove, coal, wood, paper, whatever you like to burn. Keeps the whole place warm. Not only this room, but it is hooked up to 3 radiators that are in the spare bedroom, the bathroom, and the master bedroom, keeping everything nice and toasty. We have our Christmas tree here, as you can see.
It's Christmas time.
It is Christmas time. Yes.
And this is one of the rooms, obviously.
This is our spare bedroom. It was very important to us to have a spare bedroom, as I'm not from here, if you can tell by my accent. I am from America, so I have family that would like to come and visit. We also like to host people, so
Like us.
that
Woohoo.
is true.
Thanks for
So
having us.
we need an extra bedroom. So
And it's comfy, guys. I will tell you it's comfy.
and that actually folds back up into a sofa.
Oh, does it?
It does.
Oh.
So it doesn't always take up this much room.
Okay.
So this would be the spare bedroom, which the Jack and Jill bathroom, I think as they call it, because it is onto the master bedroom as well. So it's separated by the bathroom. We have the shower, the toilet facilities, the sink. It is a full shower. Even I could get in there, not touch my head.
Oh, can I get in here?
Of course.
Are you looking?
Yes, yes.
Oh, very nice, very nice, very nice.
It goes quite deep.
We'll stay away from the bathroom.
This is what's called the master bedroom, also known as where the magic happens. And as you can see, very nice and comfy and cozy. We have an aft door. We called that a gull wing door or a swan door, as the doors fold out and up, as you can see there. Also a nice emergency exit
And a beautiful view.
and an excellent view.
Very cool.
She is a very long, narrow vessel. She is 70 feet in length in total.
70?
70 feet.
What's
Seven
that
seven
in-
zero.
So what's that in meters?
I'm American,
You
I
know?
don't really care. So, also you can hear the engine running. It is a vintage engine from a World War II German U-boat generator. So that is why it has a unique sound, and it runs like a tank and continues to run.
And the whole vessel is steel, right? It's
The
metal.
whole vessel is steel, 10 mil, I do know that in millimeters, 10 millimeter hull, which is the bottom of the boat, for those of you who don't know. The side of the boat is 8 mil, no, 6 mil, sorry, the sides of the boat. And then the top of the vessel, where you are here, the roof, is 4 mil.
Okay.
So you have a nice strong vessel that I don't know how it floats really. It shouldn't, because it's got to be over 7 tons.
But it does.
But it does, and you can bash things, little boats that, you know, have fiberglass holes, and you just push right through them and, you know, go where you want.
Hopefully you don't really want to do that.
No, I mean, that's not a thing you want to do, but if there was some Mad Max, oh, turn around, you'll
someone
see one
coming?
going back. There's one going down the way. Our neighbor, the dovetail, we'll give a little salute.
Morning.
You make friends very easily on the canal. It's a very slow, patient way of life. It's very relaxing. So MA and SM Stimson are the original builders of the boat. So it was a one-owner vessel. We bought it from the original owners. It would be Michael and Susan Stimson. They're the ones that named it Spirit, and it was moored in Batchworth, which is the location in which it was stationary. So we have opted to keep that name. It's quite synonymous in the canal community. Everyone does know not only Spirit, but the Stimsons, and they're lovely people. So if you'd like to see the engine room now,
This is where you become captain.
yes, that's right. So you'll see the traditional designs. This is what you call a traditional design of the old narrowboats. There's a lot of history behind there. People aren't sure if it was the Romanian gypsies that came along the canals and they painted the old castles of their homeland, but we're not sure exactly. No one really knows where it comes from. But that is the traditional decoration of narrowboats.
They all different on all the boats.
They are, yeah. They're all hand painted. This is the tiller and the tiller pin. My favorite is the Kingfisher. We have multiple tiller pins.
And that just keeps it in there.
Yep, that keeps this from moving. As you see, this is how we maneuver the vessel. So, this is my custom seat where I sit as I go down the canal. And if you'd like to come on board, you can see the vintage engine. And I will say that this engine is unique in the fact that, as it may be a vintage design, itself is not from World War II. It was actually built in 1999 in the former USSR. So, but the design does come from the German U-boat. So what happened in World War II is the Russians invaded and took over parts of Germany, good for the Russians. And when they came upon the plant where they made the German U-boat generators, they loved the idea and the design of the generators. They destroyed the town. They took all the spare parts and the plans and blueprints for the generator, brought it to Riga, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, but it's R-I-G-A, in the former USSR, and they built a plant churning these generators out. You can visit the plant today. If you saw an original German U-boat generator engine and the one that's in mine today, there's no difference. They've not modernized it whatsoever.
Throughout all the years.
Throughout all the years, it's the exact same.
Wow.
It's a 2-cylinder diesel engine that has this unique putt-putt sound. The same sound that they used to have on the canal. Modern engines don't do that low rev putt-putt-putt-putt-putt-putt. Yeah, after they got rid of the horses, because the towpath is what the horses used to go down and pull, these canal boats, and then they went to engines. And so, yes, so it is a vintage engine, yet built in 1999.
Very cool. Yeah?
Thank you, Roger, for giving us a tour of your boat and welcoming us and being very hospitable to us over the last few days. Anytime.
That's how us Americans are.
Thank you, Captain. Where are we off to next, by the way?
We're going to head south, I think, back to the Hemel Hempstead region, or Apsley region of the Grand Union Canal.
Let's do this.
On our grand Virgin tour.
But has nothing to do with Mr. Branson.
What?
Yes, you said the Virgin Tour.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the boat tour of the canal from Joe and Roger. We're gonna get on board now because it's actually gonna start raining soon, so we're gonna get on and we're gonna start heading south. Have you got the locks again, Joe?
Probably, yeah.
She's got all the hard work to do, so.
I keep drawing the short straw.
There can only be one captain.
There can only be one captain, and he's very busy. He's keeping us safe. So we'll catch you guys later. Cheers. This is where Joe and Roger's adventures carry on as we head back to the van. We had ourselves an amazing weekend with lots of laughs and giggles, and we hope to be back soon on the canals with them. We wish you guys all the best.